this is Will H Tech Review back with another video, and the Microsoft Duo is in the house. So I decided to pick this device up because ever since they announced this device last year, I've been very intrigued by it. It was just something about this device that made me say I want to pick it up. Now, when they announced the prices on this, I kind of backed away on it a little bit, and after watching some of my favorite YouTubers talk about this, I do know of some of its shortcomings, but I decided to go ahead and pick it up. Now, this device is very pricey, and I had to get rid of a lot of devices to pick this up. So if you guys know, I like tablets, and I had about 4 or 5 tablets. Well, I'm down to 1 tablet now. And that is a way that I was able to pay for this device, because Will H is not rich like some of my fellow YouTubers. So I have to make changes to pick up devices. But this is one that I really wanted to get, and it's here now. So let's take a look at it. Let's go ahead and get this wrap off of it. All right, so I know a lot of you guys love that sound. So initial impressions of this thing, like a lot of people say, is very, very thin. Feels very premium in the hand. Just very nice feeling. Has that very shiny chrome look on the hinge. And you got your Microsoft logo there. You only got 1 port down here, your Type-C charging port. Very clean, very, very clean. You got your SIM card tray here, volume up and down, and your power button. And that is it on the outside. Very, very clean, man, I'm telling you. Feels good in the hands, not too heavy. And let's open it up for the second time. I didn't really look at it the first time. So here are the dual displays here. So let me go over some of the specs on this. And I'm gonna go ahead and boot it up. If there's any power, there it is. There's the logo appearing. So open up like this. This is 8.1 inch AMOLED display, 1800 by 2700 pixels. And this is a 3:2 aspect ratio with a 401 ppi. This is Gorilla Glass 5. When you have it folded over like this, this is a 5.6 inch 1350 by 1800 4:3 aspect ratio. This is running Android 10 out the box. This has the Snapdragon 855 processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. It has 1 camera. It's 11 megapixel, capable of shooting 4K up to 30 frames per second. It does have a fingerprint sensor built on the side of it here. Also, the battery on this is 3577 milliamps, and it only comes in white. So my first initial impressions is very thin, like everyone says. Feels very premium, and I like it. I like it. You do have your bezels here. You got your earpiece here, and your camera right there as well. So yeah, man, this is, look how thin that is, man. So what I want to do is go ahead and put my information in, then we'll talk about it some more. Okay guys, as I was putting in my information, it has an update available for the phone. It's 272 megabytes, and I had to do this before. Now I do say 259 megabytes over here, so I'm not sure what size it is, but as soon as this is done, we'll jump back in. All right guys, so we're back in after getting all my information set in it. This is it here. So I did set up my fingerprint sensor, so let's see how that works there. Right in, works pretty good. This is the display you get to when you first get it here, get in it. So let's go around and see what we got here on board. You got your Microsoft suite of apps, Office, OneDrive, Calendar. Got your Google stuff here, Play Store, Photos, a news app, to-do lists, Spotify, LinkedIn, tips. You got some some apps that they've already loaded up where you can use 2 apps at the same time. That is a good feature that I'm looking forward to using. You got camera, your phone, and messaging. And so if you go into the app drawer, you pretty much got the same thing here. I see YouTube Music, sound recorder, solitary. So you have a game on here, a few things. So you do have some bloatware that people call it. So let's go into the settings. And I want to see, I had that update that was available on there. So first, let's look at how much storage out of the box. So 22.45 gigabytes used out of the box, out of the 256 gigabyte version that I have. I forgot to let you guys know that. Let's go back into the settings and let's look at so let's check out the version that is on. It's on Android 10, September the 5th, security patch right there. So more than likely, that's what that update was. I didn't go in and really check it, but this is what it looks like coming in. Very thin while it's open, very wide. So now I want to do a little size comparison right quick. Here's my original fold-out device, the ZTE Axon M. It also has a fingerprint sensor on the side of it, but you guys can see just how much wider this is than the Axon M. Axon M was a very nice device. If ZTE would have went forward with that, I think they would have had something there. So let's close them up and look at the size difference here. Let me go ahead and get this back on. So there it is. So those two together closed up, dual string devices. You can see the thickness there. Now, one thing I noticed, they have a sharp corner on that side where this device is rounded on the side of it. So ZTE Axon M, here's the Note 20 Ultra. You can see it's a whole lot taller. This is thicker than the Note 20 Ultra when it's folded. And then you got so much wider than the Note 20. So right there, just for grins, you got the Google Pixel 4a. You can put about 3 of those in there. You can see the thickness there. And my last device that I have here, this is one that I just picked up, just was sent out to me. So shout out to LG. But here's the LG Velvet. You can see this is quite a bit wider than the LG Velvet. If you fold this back, and then this is what you get. LG Velvet this is a case added on, where this is a natural device here. So it feels comfortable in the hand to hold. I'm not going to say it feels bad or anything, but it feels great because of the thinness on it. So, all right, guys, this has been just a unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Duo. More videos to come on this. Will H Tech Review, and I'm out.